Okay, so this is what we need to cook this Asian rice. White rice from the day before, garlic and ginger, smoked bacon, French omelette, cooked ham, corn, carrots, peas, red pepper, and spring onions. Everything cut into small dices. We are also going to need vegetable oil, soy sauce, and salt. Salt if you need it at the end. In a very hot pan, with a bit of oil, put the garlic and ginger until half cooked. Add bacon and cook 2 minutes. When the bacon is done, add the rice and stir. So now incorporate the rest of the ingredients. If you have any doubt with the measure, check the video description for details. When adding the spring onions, leave aside half. That's it for the presentation. Stir for about 2 minutes. And add soy sauce. Let it cook a little bit more. Try it and correct the salt if you need it. Serve it and decorate with spring onions.